Hi there, this is Jay from the Buxton Real Estate Group and you're watching a virtual walkthrough tour of 14 Nightingale Street, Balaclava. Fantastic 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property currently available for lease. Nice little front area and a backyard to complement. Main entrance just at the left-hand side here. The house does continue all the way through. It's nice, secure windows there. And connecting to our great little backyard with shed, all accessible off of bedroom 2. Stepping inside, quick floor plan here, of course, our living, dining, kitchen space, then through the hallway to bedroom 1 and 2, bathroom, laundry. So we're standing here, as you can see, there's beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Very versatile space, certainly enough to fit a small dining table, a lounge with chaser. Great modern comforts, including Asco dishwasher and gas cooking. Generous fridge space and storage. Do have a split system aircon just here as well. And of course, ceiling fan. We have our separate toilet, renovated bathroom with shower. We have the master bedroom with great cupboard space. Extra room just off here, primarily just being used as some storage currently. But a great space for a home office, maybe some extra space for the wardrobe. Continuing on through, we have a great open Euro-like laundry. And then our second bedroom here, as you can see, enough space for 2 little beds, but certainly comfortable enough to also hold a queen-size bed. Thank you very much for watching our virtual walkthrough tour of 14 Nightingale Street, Balaclava. Fantastic opportunity to be living or renting in a standalone house close to Chapel Street, public transport, and of course the beautiful Elwood Beach. This property is currently available for lease with the Buxton Real Estate Group.